For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Chennai Super Kings CEO Kasi Vishwanathan has said that the team will leave for the UAE on August 21st, but before that, all the players will be attending a training camp in Chennai at the M.A. Chidambaram Stadium. It was also revealed that Dubai will be the base camp for three-time IPL champions. Kings 11 Punjab batsman Karun Nair has heaped praise on his skipper and longtime friend KL Rahul and said that he is the right man to lead the franchise. Karun added that KL always pushes players around him and inspires people with his work ethics. Punjab has never won IPL since the league's inception in 2008. Opener Faiz Fazal has said that he has no clue as to why he never got another opportunity to play for India, despite scoring an unbeaten half-century in his only ODI for the Blues. Fazal scored 55 against Zimbabwe in 2016 but could never play for India again and was reduced to playing first-class cricket for Vidarbha. Former Indian opener Akash Chopra has picked countryman Jasprit Bumrah as the bowler who would bowl super over for him because of his accuracy and unique bowling action that makes him special. Jasprit Bumrah plays for Mumbai Indians in the IPL. Pakistan wicketkeeper batsman Kamran Akmal has said that Test captain Azhar Ali got it all wrong with his selection for the first Test against England in Manchester. Pakistan lost the Test by 3 wickets and Azhar Ali's poor captaincy has come under scanner. Former Pakistan captain Ramiz Raja believes that veteran wicketkeeper batsman Sarfaraz Ahmed should quit Test cricket and focus only on limited overs format. Raja believes that the presence of Sarfaraz is only adding more pressure on Mohammad Rizwan to perform and the youngster is not able to play his natural game. Sarfaraz has played 49 Tests for Pakistan. England pacer Jofra Archer has said that all-rounder Ben Stokes will be missed for the remaining 2 Tests against Pakistan at home, who is now heading to New Zealand to be with his ailing family. Archer added that if he is going on a war, then he would love to have Stokes right next to him as he never shies away from any challenge. Former Indian football coach Stephen Constantine is looking to come out of his self-imposed exile and is keen on coaching an ISL side which gets underway in November. Constantine was India's coach between 2015 and 2019 and took a sabbatical after leading India's charge into the AFC Asian Cup in 2019. Newly appointed Juventus coach Andrea Pirlo has reportedly identified Alvaro Morata as their next target in the summer window as a replacement for outgoing Gonzalo Higuain. Morata had spent 2 years with Juventus on loan between 2014 and 2016.